You just have to restart your PC. Just restart your PC and then keep on pressing F2 key in your keyboard continuously. F2. So do not stop. You just have to keep on pressing F2 key. Now you can see entering into the setup. So anyway, you have to access a BIOS setting. So different device has a different ways to get into the BIOS setting. By default, normally you can press the F2 key continuously. F2. It's a function key, F2 key in your keyboard. Now in the settings section, you just have to restore setting. At the bottom here you have a restore option. So just restore the setting in the BIOS setting. And somewhere if you are using the newest version of a BIOS in the newest version of a laptop, newest model, newest brand, if you have a BIOS setting like this in some laptop or some desktop, BIOS setting really look different. So in the setting section, or you can just restore the setting. And even in the wireless, you can see there are two different switches. You just have to reset setting. Sorry guys, it's a restore setting. Even go to the wireless device, enable option, and then restore the setting. So this is the next thing that you can follow in order to fix the issue. If the issue still exists, if your wireless Wi-Fi problem, connecting problem in your desktop or the laptop, or a network problem connecting in a desktop or a laptop is not fixed, even after doing the BIOS reset or restoring to the default BIOS, you can proceed to the one last final step. So this should definitely fix the issue, guys. This solution is really very helpful and it helped many people. So be sure to restore the setting. Now you can just exit it once you have done it. So this is the very helpful and the useful step that you can follow. If the problem still exists, you can proceed to the next method. This is the final step you can follow in order to fix the issue. Just shut down the PC. Just shut your computer down. Once you have done it, if the power cable is plugged in, just unplug it. From the back of the laptop, you just have to remove the battery. Once you have removed your battery, just press the power button. You're going to see the power button in a laptop. So just press the power button for 5 to 10 seconds and then you can just plug in the battery again after 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can just try to turn on your laptop. This is the very common solution that you can follow. This might be also one of the power issue because of which you are getting the network problems. It's a kind of power cycle thing. So you can do it and then just turn on your laptop now. Okay guys, finally following all this step, you must be able to fix your network issue in your desktop or the laptop, in your PC. So some kind of logo, you can see not connected, no connection are available. When I give a right click on it and then click on open network and internet setting, I get the not connected. You are not connected to any networks. So what are we gonna do in this case? Either you click on troubleshoot from here or just give a right click on right over here and then click on troubleshoot. So in order to know what is exactly the issue, you can see. So if the problem is with the Ethernet cable, you can just unplug and plug in back again. You can even try changing your Ethernet cable. But currently, in case of my laptop, I'm just using a Wi-Fi. Even Wi-Fi is not connecting. So you can see, check to see if the problem is fixed or skip this step. Now you can click on skip this step. Once you click on skip this step, it's going to show you what all are the different problems. If the network cable is broken, you're going to fix it by changing it or unplug it and plug in again. If the problem is with the Wi-Fi adapter, you can see it's a wireless AC 160 megahertz adapter is experiencing driver or the hardware related issue. If the issue is driver or the hardware related issue, what are we going to do? If the problem is similar as that of mine, you can just go with the fixing driver issue first. Now the next thing that you need to do is just close this. You knew it's a driver issue or the hardware issue. You're gonna see the my computer or this PC. Give a right click on it and then click on manage. Here we have a manage. Now in this manage, you're gonna choose device manager. Inside device manager, you can see the Bluetooth is experiencing the driver issue. Even the network adapter, wireless adapter is also experiencing the driver issue. This is the sign of an issue. Now what you're going to do if you have a driver issue? Just give a right click on it. Sorry guys. So if Bluetooth is experiencing the problem, just give a right click on it and click on update driver. Or click on scan for the hardware. At first click on scan for the hardware change. See if the problem is fixed. Okay, problem is not fixed. Actually, in this tutorial, we are dealing with the network adapter. So let's go with the network adapter first. So inside the network adapter, you can see. So skip this Bluetooth. For the Bluetooth, I'll just come up with another video. In this tutorial, only the network issue. So here's the network adapter. Just gonna give a click on it. Select the network adapter that is having an issue. You can see the yellow sign over here. That is the sign of issue. Give a right click on it. Click on scan for the hardware change. You can see the problem is not solved. Give a right click on it. Now you're gonna disable the driver. Click on yes to disable it. Give a right click on it and enable it back again. You can see the problem still exists. Give a right click on it. Click on update driver. It can scan automatically, or you can browse the driver from the computer if you have downloaded it manually. You can see it's already installed. This driver is already installed. That means we don't have a driver issue. Problem still exists. What you're going to do? Give a right click on it and then uninstall it. Delete the driver software from this device. Okay, you don't have to do this. Do not check it. Just uninstall it. You have uninstalled. Now what you're going to do? Just restart your PC. Close everything and restart your PC. You can see restarting. Once you have successfully restarted, give a right click on my computer or this PC. Click on manage. Go to device manager. And then you're going to see guys, problem still exists. Now we have done everything. Go to properties. You can see the same problem. Code 10 error. The request operation was unsuccessful. So what the next we're going to do? You need to know your laptop model number. You can see this is my Dell G7. Open the internet browser and then in the search section you're going to type Dell G7 driver. Alright, you're going to type Dell G7 driver and then click on enter. Currently, I have a network issue in my laptop. So for a while, you can use your friends or some other people's laptop to download the driver and install it back again. When you search for the Dell G7 driver, you can see guys, mine is Dell G7. Your laptop might be some different brand or maybe some different model. So you're going to type the brand and model name and then you're going to type drivers. So you're going to see the drivers for the Dell G7. In case of mine, you can see the website. It's a Dell.com. It's an official website. So good to choose official website to download the driver. You can see driver and downloads. So just click on it. Now here here you got a different option to choose. You can choose the operating system, and then if you have a format, you can choose the different format to download. It's good to, you can see here you have lots of driver. Whether you want audio, it's a chipset, you can click on show all 45, and here you can download Okay guys, now you're gonna see here you have it's Intel, some model number and Wi-Fi driver. So you're gonna download the Wi-Fi driver now. So this is my laptop brand and model number. You can use your own laptop brand and model number, and you need to download the Wi-Fi driver for that model number. If you do not find it in the official website, even you can take the help of some third-party website to download the Wi-Fi driver, but it should match the laptop model number and brand. Sometime even the Wi-Fi driver, it's a random Wi-Fi driver from the different model number or the different brand also works. So if you want, you can give a try. So give a moment to download it, and you can copy it into your pen drive and take it into your computer and try installing it. You can see download is successful. Now you can click the show in folder. You can open the download folder and you can copy it to pen drive. Now you can open the folder. Here's the driver. Give a right click on it and run as administrator. Sometime you're gonna see this. Click on yes. Now you're going to choose install. You'll get the two different options. Check this box and click on install. You can see restart is required. Click on yes to restart. You can see guys, mine problem still exists. You're going to give a right click on it and go to properties. What is the next that you can try? Go to driver. Sometime you can see my option. I do not have the option. If you do not have option, you cannot do anything. Proceed to the next step. But if you have a rollback driver option, so you just have to click on rollback driver and then try restarting your PC. It might fix the problem. If the problem still exists even after doing the rollback driver, proceed to the next step. You can see here in a taskbar you have a network icon. Just give a right click on it and then click on open network and internet setting. Once you open that, here you have a status. In a status, just come down, and then here you have a lots of options. You're going to see here you have network reset. Click on this network reset and then click on yes. You'll get the message Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Click on close and then you can wait for 5 minutes. Your Windows will shut down. You can see you are about to sign out. You have a 2 minutes left. You can just wait for 2 minutes and you'll be signed out of your PC. You can see restarting. This should fix your issue.